Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights because Network Reset changes adapters and settings. Once ready, save files and close apps to avoid data loss. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Status. Make sure to scroll down and find Network Reset. This is the built-in tool that reinstalls adapters and returns networking defaults. You're doing this to clear driver and configuration corruption. When you click the link, Windows explains it will restart your PC, so prepare to reboot. You click Reset Now and confirm to begin the process. Windows schedules a restart. Once the system reboots, it reinstalls network adapters and applies default network settings. This fixes corrupt drivers, profiles, and firewall anomalies. Make sure the PC stays powered and don't force shutdown during installation. After sign-in, open Device Manager to verify adapters show correctly and no yellow warning icons remain. If drivers didn't reinstall, you'll manually update via Windows Update or Manufacturer Installer to restore full functionality. You now reconnect to your Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet and re-enter saved passwords because Reset cleared profiles. If connectivity is still off, run the built-in network troubleshooter from settings to diagnose common faults. Make sure to also power cycle the router and modem. Sometimes the issue is upstream. If problems remain, open an admin command prompt and run netch-int IP reset and netch-winsock reset, then reboot. That TCP/IP reset clears protocol stacks. Do this only if the standard reset didn't solve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.